Well, my three girls, them born and grow up over here, and I try to tell them about the stuff about when I was growing up and all the good times we had and all the things that we was doing. And to see the expression on their faces is so funny. She washing clothes, my youngest washing clothes, and I'm talking to her about how we used to wash clothes in Jamaica. And she was like, "Oh yeah, what kind of washing machine you had?" I'm like, "We never had no washing machine. This our wash and this our rinse." And you should have seen the look on her face. And then I started talking to her about cleaning the floors. And then we have to polish and shine the floor. She was like, "Oh, so it's just like you do here? You use a mop and glow?" I'm like, "No, we don't have mop and glow. I mean, we used to take polish and put the polish on the floor, and then I show her a picture. I show her this picture. I said, we use this for shine the floor on our knees, and you should have seen our face." Yo, do you guys get the same reaction when you try to explain to these nowadays kids how it was growing up? Just make me know. Drop it in the comments. One love.